Hello guys, this is Sophia from Super Packing Machinery. Today I would like to introduce about our triangle tea bag packing machine. Just behind us is our triangle tea bag packing machine. This model is with 4 waiting heads. Later I will show you in details. And then our triangle tea bag machine, it's used the electronic controlling and weighting system. Let's check with us. Okay, let me show you with details with our measuring parts. Let's open the door to see the inside. This is our number 1 weighting head, and this is our number 4 weighting head. And just back there, right here, it's our number 2 and number 3 weighting heads. As you could see, on the top of it are 4 small hoppers, which you could fill into your material, and then material will be automatically falling into this vibration device, and then automatically filling into this measuring cups. And then last, it will be measuring and filling into our bag former. Okay, right now let me simply introduce how our triangle inner tea bag makes. Firstly, filling the material into the hoppers, and then material will be vibration into this vibration device, and then being measuring by our measuring cups. After that, our material will be measuring and filling into our bag former, the inner bag former. Let's see right here. This device is our triangle shaped device. After that, our sample will be made like this. This is our triangle standard inner bag. Okay, right now let me show you more samples details. This one is our standard triangle tea bag with standard tags, and this one is the customized one with the customized butterfly tags. If you want to make your own design with the tag, we could also make the customized for you. And besides, we also produce tag design and film material for us customers as a choice. Next, I would like to show you our electronic controlling system. Let's get into the English version. Right here is our warning page. You could see the on button right here in green, right? On this one, you can change it on and off to control our machine to become a single weighting head or combined or multi-head weighting. Okay, next we would like to introduce about our touch screen, the controlling system of our main machine. This is our touch screen. Let's get into the English version. Right here, we could change the bag length and working speed. Just change according to your needs. And then next is our perimeter show. All the perimeters of our main machine will be well set by our engineer before delivering. And then down here, it's our controlling buttons. This one is the emergency one, and this is our start buttons. Okay. This part, we only introduce how our inner triangle tea bag made by our triangle tea bag making machine, right? But mostly, some of our customers will require to make an outer bag to pack their inner bag. And that's what we could make, and I am going to introduce for you guys. Let's check with me. Right here is our bucket elevator, and this one is the outer bag making machine. When our inner triangle tea bag being finished output, it will naturally falling down into the packet, and then this elevator will transfer the inner bag into the outer bag former. Put it inside, and then the outer bag making machine will make the outer bag sealing and cutting and output just similar like this sample. It works perfectly short and easy to control. Okay guys, that's all for today's introduction about our triangle inner tea bag packing machine and our outer tea bag packing machine. If you have any interest in our tea bag packing machine, welcome to inquire us. See you next time.